something to the viewers and then Gaurav can take it forward. Can I speak to the audience, please? Viewers, one of the reasons I have serious problems with the Maoists is because they are hand in glove with the Pakistani government, with the Pakistani establishment and with the ISI. It is proven without doubt that the Maoists work with the Pakistanis, and for those people like Pallavi who are ignorant about the facts, Pallavi, do you know, since you are smiling about this, that your ignorance will now have to be tested on the studios of this program? Can you tell me, Pallavi, whether you are aware that the Maoists actually issued a statement? 1 minute, let her answer because she was laughing. And I find someone who takes internal security issues so lightly to be very disturbing.
No, please, Arnab, do not.
If you do, then it is very unfortunate.
Without knowing,
it's very unfortunate.
I was not laughing on the fact that you said there is a Maoist and Pakistani link.
Yes.
No, please, Arnab,
yes, I said that. Yes, I said that. Yes, I said that. Pallavi, are you not aware of it? Pallavi, are you actually?
I'm just laughing on the fact that I'm trying to speak something.
No, are you actually not aware of it, Pallavi?
There's a fellow panelist who hasn't spoken for 40 minutes.
Yeah, he will speak. Don't worry about it. But are you? I want to ask you, Pallavi. I want to ask you, Pallavi, because it may be that you are unaware, and I don't think being unaware is a fault, but to laugh it off is unfortunate. Pallavi, tell me one thing. I'm asking you now. Don't speak over me.
Nobody's laughing it off.
I'm asking you something.
Nobody's laughing it off.
Then I'm asking you something.
Such allegations.
I'm asking you something.
Nobody's laughing it off.
I want to ask you something.
Please, nobody's laughing it off.
I want to ask you something.
You have conducted this debate for 45 minutes.
I want to ask you something.
I
want to ask you something.
Sambhaji Bhide has not been arrested.
Vishwajit.
Have you asked it?
Vishwajit.
Who is Sambhaji Bhide?
Vishwajit, here's a question to Pallavi. The question is to Pallavi. Only Pallavi on the screen with Gaurav Arya, please.
Have you taken
Pallavi.
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 That is funny, Arnab.
Pallavi.
Taking the name of Bhima Koregaon. Okay. Every Dalit association movement is being linked with Maoist. इस हाथ की पांचों उंगलियां बराबर नहीं होती. I'm an Ambedkarite और मैं माउस को सपोर्ट नहीं करता, पर डिसेंट की वॉइसेस को आप माउस बना दोगे? आप बताइए, सारंगपुर वायलेंस हुई तो भीम आर्मी को सबसे पहले नक्सलिस्ट घोषित किया गया. उसके बाद जब कोई सबूत नहीं मिले, आप मुझे बताइए चंद्रशेखर आजाद जेल में क्यों बंद है? योगेश वर्मा जेल में क्यों बंद है? वो माउस्ट है.
और जबकि संभाजी भिड़े जिनके सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कैंसिल कर दी, स्टिल रोमिंग फ्रीली.
दलित मारे जाते हैं, आदिवासी मारे जाते हैं, उन्हीं को मार के गोली मारी जाती है, इसलिए you are laughing.
I'll tell you something. Have you finished now? Now both of you be quiet for 1 minute because both of you be quiet for 1 minute. Both of you be quiet for 1 minute. No. Pallavi and Devashish. 1 minute. I'll speak. I'll come on screen alone because I need to speak to them. Pallavi and Devashish. You know something. I will educate both of you right now. But in order for me to educate you and to respond to you, you'll both have to be quiet for exactly 30 seconds. Right? 30 seconds. And just to ensure that Arjun Shoran has got attention, viewers, before he comes on air, he's holding up a piece of paper called Dissent. And because I am not an intolerant Maoist supporter, I will allow him his full airtime on screen. Here he is. Let us give him the full screen. There it is. Dissent. Thank you very much. Dissent is democracy, is what he says. Well done. Don't misuse that word. Don't misuse that word.
Dissent is democracy.
Excellent.
You cannot drown people's voices. You cannot arrest people.
So tell me. Tell me. Okay. So tell me. So tell me. Arjun, tell me. Arjun.
The danger is to you also. Tomorrow they might call you a Pakistani supporter, Chinese supporter.
I will never be a Pakistani supporter. I'm not sure of the Maoists. I want to ask you something, Arjun.
None of these people are. None of these people are terrorists.
Arjun.
Who is to prove it?
Arjun, now you know. I will respond to you guys. If you are going to be quiet for 2 minutes, I'll explain a few facts to you. To each one of you, I will say one thing. First to you, Pallavi. Pallavi, I wish to tell you something. That I first am speaking to Pallavi, and Pallavi, listen to me here. Listen to me here. Listen to me here. Listen to me here. Pallavi, I will send you a copy right after the program of a CPI Maoist statement in which it was said that the warmongering, chauvinism and aggression against the great Pakistani government by bad Indian forces to further their expansion must stop. This was a statement by the CPI Maoists.
That we don't support Maoists.
It was a statement by the CPI Maoists.
You got your 30 seconds. Please give me my 30 seconds to respond, or are you going to mute my voice?
Are you going to
Arnab, please allow me to respond. You know what is funny? I was not laughing on the fact that
second point is to
Maoist and Pakistani link. What is funny was
second point is to
FIR and some random 5 other people are arrested for the same case.
Okay.
And those 2 people named in the FIR.
Second point.
Those Supreme Court has cancelled.
Second point.
Second
point. Tell me one thing. Tell me one thing. Second point here. Second point here. We've had Ashok Pandit coming into the debate, and please be quiet. Please be quiet. Please be quiet. Suppose I were to present a situation to you today. Let me ask you a question. One minute. Suppose I was to present a contrary situation to you today.
I think that
before you hold up the next step.
You should say Shambhaji Bhide is a Maoist supporter.
Okay, so Pallavi, the next question goes to Farooq. Farooq, listen to me. If I were to present a very reasonable situation to you and just consider it and give me a response as a citizen, is not a lawyer, and nobody else should interrupt him. Tell me, Dr. Farooq Khan, if the members of the Sanatan Sanstha, allow me, your favorite subject. If the members of the Sanatan Sanstha, when they were arrested, and please don't interrupt me, when they were arrested, right at the time of their arrest and interrogation, if they were to say, it's a violation of my human rights, the Maoists have not been arrested yet, would you give them any time?
I will answer.
Would you give them any time? Would you give them any time?
I will answer it. Arnab.
And Ashok, stop holding that up.
Now I got your question. Now I will answer your. Arnab, give me 30 seconds. You know, my friend just across me asked, put a name, Shambhaji Bhide, and I am very amazed that you don't have gut to tell his name. That Maoist supporter, that killer, that threat to national integration, that threat to our great nation, you have not told his name. Why you have not told his name? Because you are scared. And Arnab, I will tell you one more thing.
No, I need to come in full frame to respond to him, please, because no, I'm making a point to you. I'm making a point to you. Don't lose your cool. Don't lose your cool. Don't lose your cool. I'll tell one thing. I just came full frame because he's shouting. I can't shout over him. I'm telling you something. If you stop shrieking, Dr. Farooq, you've stopped shrieking. Don't you dare question my guts. We've done more stories and more exposés on the Sanatan Sanstha than you ever thought of in your entire life. So don't give me a fake lecture. I asked you a question, you had no response to it. If shrieking were to be an answer, then I would accept it. Don't tell me about the Sanatan Sanstha. Republic has exposed the Sanatan Sanstha more than all of you people put together. Does it hurt your conscience when I asked you the question on the Sanatan Sanstha? That if the Sanatan Sanstha were to complain, why interrogate us when you haven't interrogated the supporters of the Maoists? Would you accept that as a justification? I ask you a logical question. Why are you shrieking in response? Yes, back on the screen.
In Sanatan Dharma case, they have a right to free trial. This is
I will. Okay, so I'll take a break. Come back on the debate on the other side. The debate is on.